This is the brand new iPhone Air. At just 5.6 millimeters thick, it is officially the thinnest phone Apple has ever created. It completely replaces the Plus model in the lineup and hits the shelves at a premium starting price of $999. It looks like the future, but it requires some massive compromises to get this thin.
Let's talk about the core specs right away. Apple did not sacrifice performance here. You are getting a gorgeous 6.5-inch Super Retina XDR display. It features ProMotion, 120Hz refresh rates, an always-on display, and hits a stunning 3,000 nits of peak outdoor brightness with an upgraded anti-reflective coating. Under the hood, it runs on the flagship 3nm A19 Pro chip with a 5-core GPU. To fully support advanced Apple intelligence, it's packed with a massive 12GB of RAM. Performance is incredibly smooth, and it handles heavy multitasking easily.
To keep a device this thin from bending, Apple engineered a hyper-rigid Grade 5 titanium frame and protected it with Ceramic Shield 2 on both the front and back panels. The engineering inside is wild. They stacked the main logic board, cameras, and Face ID tech entirely into a single horizontal top section called the camera plateau. Even the USB-C port had to be 3D printed from titanium powder to save space, and the physical SIM card tray has been completely removed.
However, the design forces some major trade-offs. You only get a single 48-megapixel rear camera lens, meaning no ultra-wide and no optical telephoto zoom. Because of the space constraints, you also drop down to a mono speaker instead of stereo audio. Finally, battery life maxes out at 27 hours of video playback. It's a spectacular engineering achievement, but if you are a power user who needs maximum battery life and pro-grade lenses, you are still better off choosing the iPhone 17 Pro Max.